Hello everyone, welcome back to my another new videos. It's me Hari Sharma, and today I am going to talk about the first class and higher order function in JavaScript, and it's chapter 12. We already discussed about chapter 1 to chapter 11 in previous videos, and today is turn is first class and higher order function in JavaScript. Uh, so without delay, let's talk about what is first class function. First class function means it is a feature of JavaScript uh, which treat like a value. It is treated like a value, and we can store it in variable, pass them as argument, and return them from other function. And also we can keep them inside array or others and object in JavaScript. So this is called a first class function. Uh, uh, Wait a minute, I am going to share your screen, which helps you to see the content. Uh, I hope it is fine. So let's see. So I already told you first class function means it is treated like a values. We can store it like a variable, pass them argument, return from another function, and keep inside them array or object. So uh, mm, let's see in coding which helps you to understand you in briefly. Here is a assignment function to a variable. Here I already told you we can pass them as arguments. Okay, arguments. First, we are going to see we can store them like a variable. So here, let's see what is it. Here, grid is one variable, and we are storing function inside a grid variable. This is called uh, assigned assigned variable. Assigned variable. We are assigning variable. We are passing function inside any variable. So here grid is one variable, and function we are passing function inside grid. So here we are calling we are calling grid variable, and it is giving us hello everyone. Here hello plus name. Here we are passing name, and the name means here uh, name means everyone. I pass the value everyone as an argument. This is called assign to variable, and pass as arguments. Let's see, pass as arguments. Pass as arguments in here is a function named call function name is function. Here is it, and here is a fn is an parameter, and here we are calling function means parameter. We are passing function as argument. This is a function. This is parameter, and we are calling this parameter is passing is like a function. This is a function inside value. There is a value, and this is a function. So it is a passing function as argument. So next one is call function. Sorry. Next one is return function from another function. It means function. It means we are returning function from another function. Means here is two function. We are returning one function from another. So let's see how is it. function outer. Here is one function which name is outer function, and the return function, we are returning function. And here let's see in last, here inner function name, inner function is called to outer function, another function name inner, and we are calling inner function. uh, it is a variable, we are storing outer function, first function. This first function, we are storing this first function inside inner fn variable. This is a variable, and we are calling this function. This is called return function from another function. So that is all about assigned variable, pass as argument, and return from other function. Uh, uh, let's see one real life example. It helps us to clear everything. Let us suppose I have 100 rupees. If I have 100 rupees, let us suppose I have 100 rupees, and I can store 100 rupees in my pocket. This means this is a variable. Pocket is my variable. 100 rupees is value, and I can give uh, I can give it someone, sorry, give it, I can give it 100 rupees someone else. It means pass an argument. I am giving 100 rupees someone else. It means passing arguments to others. So, and next one is I can get it back from someone. Also, I pass or I give it, and I can get it back from others. So it means return function. I am returning, they are returning the money 100 rupees. It means a return function, and I can keep it inside a wallet with other things. It means store in array or object. So that is a real life uh, example of our first class function. Let's see another one is higher order function. And uh, one thing is, remember that this is not a function, it is just a feature of JavaScript. Okay, it is not a function, not a type of function, it is just a feature of JavaScript. So next one is higher order function. It means HOFs also include s. So HOF, as higher order function means function that takes another function as an argument or return a function. It can return a function, or it can takes another function as an argument. So it is called higher order function. They don't need to happen both this both feature. If mm, one feature happens in here, it is called higher order function. No need to be both feature on here to be higher order function. So let's see what is it actually encoding. Function as arguments. Function here, greet user name function. Function name is greet user, and here parameter is name and formatter. There is two parameter, and it is uh, uh, and it is consoling for matter. It is parameter, but it is calling. It is calling, or it is taking another function. Here, greet user is one first function. It is a first function, and uh, here formatter is second function. This is the second function. Okay, second function, but it is not another function. It is came from our passing arguments or parameter. Okay, this is called higher order function. So it will print, and another one is name also. Here name also the function. It is also it is returning. Here uppercase name is one function, another function, and it is returning name, which is our parameter. So this is returning parameter. So it is a higher order function. It can take another function as argument, and it can return a function. So that is a higher order function. Let's move another topic. Built-in higher order function. Built-in higher order function means that function which JavaScript already provide that. Uh, it means we don't need to return them ourselves. That is called built-in higher order function. They already JavaScript already built already make them to ready to use. They make ready to use, and uh, putting inside some place, and we are using them, we are not writing them by ourselves. So that is called built in higher order function. So it can be map function, filter function, reduce, like that function. Okay, let's see uh, coding example. uh, Let nums is equal to 1 2 3 dot dot dot. For here it is inside array, and in map function. Here let squad is one variable, and we are doing process inside squad variable. Nums dot map, here array function, and we are doing square of our value, which is we passing nums 1 2 3 4 5. Then it is returning us one, 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2 4, 3 into 3 9, and just like that. So this is called built in a higher order function. We don't need to do we don't need to write it. They are already built. We just need to use it. uh, it is simple way to use them. So let's see another one is rest and spirit in HOF. I am not going to explain many more this and this, because I already discussed on previous videos. So rest means it converts, it collect all candidates in our bag, just like you can imagine. uh, it collect, here is a number. Here is a number is in normal form, just like 1 2 3 4 5, just normal form. It is uh, it is converting it into array form. This is called rest higher order function. And another one is spread higher order function. It is converting array to normal form. Here we are passing array, and it is processing and giving into normal form. So it is called spread higher order function. So let's move on. Arrow function is HOF. Arrow function in HOF are shorter concise function used as argument for higher order function. They don't need a name. Syntax is just like that, and often used in map, filter, reduce to process array elements. Let's see code. Uh, Here is one array which names is nums variable. It is storing in nums variable, and Here we are doing nums dot maps and how uh, how it can be HOF. I think you are thinking like that. Here X, it is returning X. So it is returning X, which is another function. So it is a higher order function in arrow function. So that's how it is working. It is doing multiplying the each number like that. Uh, Multiplying each number into 2 like that and giving us output. So it is the arrow function is HOF. So that's all about uh, our chapter. Command pitfall and quirks. Here is some command pitfall and quirk. Passing and calling. Set timeout greet. It is correct, but if we write set timeout greet function, uh, this it is not correct because we don't need to pass function. We just need to pass a variable inside it. This is function because here is using this small small bracket and so we don't need to use this. Uh, so this is the command pitfall and it is returning function must be invoked means it function outer if we do this outer function runs inner function outer function it runs function and the outer function inner function it will run because here we are calling two small bracket. So this is the uh, next pitfall. So like that another one is there. This is all about chapter 12, which is first class and higher order function. For today it is I think it is all about this chapter. uh, we will continue after next video. So wait for it and practice this question. If you practice this, you will uh, all know about this chapter. So, bye bye for today.